Big giant spider get inside in the refrigerator. I think I don't know what she doing, or she wants a cold, or I don't know. Get in. Oh my goodness.